Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view full screen in Google Sheets. If you want a cleaner workspace and fewer distractions while working on your spreadsheet, using full screen mode in Google Sheets is a great option. It gives you more room to focus on your data by hiding extra browser and interface elements, which can be especially helpful when you're presenting information, reviewing large sheets, or just trying to work more comfortably. To get started, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure the file you want to work on is already loaded and visible on your screen. Once you're inside the spreadsheet, look toward the top of the page and find the main menu bar. This is the area where you'll see options like File, Edit, View, and other standard tools from that menu bar. Click on View. A drop-down menu will appear with several display. Once you click Full Screen, Google Sheets will switch into a more expanded viewing mode, giving you a larger workspace and reducing visual clutter on the screen. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there are also quick ways to do this depending on your device. On Windows or Linux, simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. This is a common browser shortcut for entering full screen mode, and it can help you switch views instantly without opening any menus. If you're using a Mac, press Ctrl, Command, and F at the same time. That shortcut will activate full screen mode and expand the window so you can focus on your spreadsheet more easily. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that full screen behavior can vary slightly depending on your browser or operating system. If the spreadsheet doesn't look exactly the way you expected, that's normal. In most cases, you can still use the same menu option or keyboard shortcut to enter and exit full screen mode as needed. This is a simple feature, but it can make a big difference when you need more space on your screen. Whether you're editing, reviewing, or presenting a sheet, full screen mode can help create a more organized and distraction-free experience. Thanks for watching.